Take a look at this modern single-story house. In this series, you'll see the entire construction process, from the very beginning to the finished home, step by step. Foundations, walls, and roof structure, everything explained in a simple way. This type of construction is known for its strength, durability, and surprisingly fast build time. It combines solid concrete elements with insulated masonry blocks, creating a structure that is both stable and energy efficient. This is a modern single-story family house. The layout includes 3 bedrooms, a main living space with an open kitchen, and all the essential facilities for comfortable everyday living. If you'd like to explore the floor plan in more detail, including dimensions, elevations, and sections, you can download it using the link in the description below. In this episode, we'll focus on the foundations and walls, the most important part of any house. Let's begin. First, the top layer of soil is removed across a larger area than the house footprint. The removed soil is usually reused later for landscaping, which helps reduce waste and costs. Next, the building pit is excavated. It is typically slightly larger than the house itself to provide enough working space during construction. Foundation trenches are then dug. They must reach a depth suitable for the local climate to prevent ground movement from temperature changes. A grounding strip is installed into the trenches. This system safely directs electrical energy into the ground, for example, in case of a lightning strike. Pipes and conduits for utilities are prepared. They are routed toward a central technical room, where all systems will later be distributed throughout the house. Concrete is poured into the foundation trenches. These strips are wider than the walls above, helping distribute the load safely into the soil. They are placed under load-bearing walls and structural elements. Starter bars provide the connection between the footings and the shuttering blocks. Openings for utilities are installed. 2 rows of permanent formwork blocks are placed. Steel reinforcement is added to increase strength. These blocks act as a mold for concrete and remain part of the structure. More openings for utilities are installed. The reinforcement extends upward and will later connect with the foundation slab. The formwork is filled with concrete. This method is popular because it is fast, efficient, and creates a strong base structure in a short time. Sewer pipes are installed inside the foundation. They are laid with a slight slope to ensure proper drainage. These pipes connect kitchen, bathroom, and toilets. The interior of the foundation is filled with soil. Each layer is compacted to prevent future settling. A radon ventilation pipe is installed. This system helps prevent natural gases from entering the house from the ground. The final layer is made of compacted gravel. This improves stability and helps distribute loads evenly. Steel reinforcement mesh is prepared for the slab. Reinforcement significantly increases the strength of concrete, especially under tension. The concrete slab is poured. This creates a solid, continuous base for the entire house. Proper curing is important to achieve full strength and durability. After curing, waterproofing is applied. This protects the structure from moisture rising from the ground. Load-bearing external and internal walls are built. These are made from insulated structural blocks. They combine strength and thermal performance in a single material, reducing the need for additional insulation. Concrete lintels are installed above openings. They allow doors and windows to be placed without compromising structural integrity. Insulated permanent formwork for the reinforced concrete ring beam is prepared. This element will remain as part of the structure and will provide additional thermal insulation. Steel reinforcement is placed inside the ring beam. Concrete is strong in compression, but steel helps it resist bending forces. The ring beam is concreted. This significantly increases the stability of the house and helps prevent cracks in the walls. The first part of the chimney is built. It has its own foundation and is separated from the main structure. This separation is critical for ensuring fire safety and structural integrity. At this stage, the house is ready for the roof structure. In the next episode, we'll take a look at how the roof is built, from the truss system to the final layers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more architectural content. If you'd like to explore the floor plan in more detail, including dimensions, elevations, and sections, you can download it using the link in the description below.